Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. I hope that you're having a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening or night. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make breakfast using this 20-inch Mainstay griddle. So today I'm going to make some homemade pancakes from scratch, some eggs, some bacon, and some sausages. So let's make some delicious breakfast. First I'm going to plug the thermostat to the griddle, then plug it into the outlet. Then I'm going to set it to 350 Fahrenheit. One thing that I did notice is that the griddle heats up very quickly within seconds. First thing I'm going to cook is my bacon, and I'm going to place all my slices of bacon on one side of the griddle. After washing my hands from the bacon, I am greasing the opposite side of the griddle with some butter. Then I'm adding about a cup of my homemade pancake mix. Once I see the bubbles on the top of the pancake, it's time to flip it over. I'm spreading some butter on my pancake. My pieces of bacon are ready to be flipped over once they start to get brown. Let me know in the comments below if you like your bacon crispy or soft. Time to flip over the pancake and butter the other side. I can't stand when my bacon curls up. My pancake is ready and my bacon is almost ready. This is what I like with my bacon, brown and crispy. I'm pouring my second pancake to the griddle. Let me know in the comments below if you make your own pancake mix or what is your favorite pancake mix. The bacon is finally ready, and I'm also going to add 2 extra slices of bacon. I'm using a flat spatula to guide the excess grease from the bacon towards the pull-out tray. I do not want that grease to get to my pancakes. Also, I'm not sure if you guys have noticed, but I'm using 2 different spatulas. One for the pancake and one for the bacon. I'm using the same step with the butter on this second pancake. I like my pancakes to have a golden color. I added a third pancake, and I'm also going to add 2 sausages, and I'm going to let those sausages cook until they are brown on both sides. Now that my pancakes are done, I'm adding 1 egg to the griddle. I'm lightly sprinkling some onion powder as well as some garlic powder and a few pieces of onion. I'm using my spatula to mix in the onions. Let me know in the comments below if you like onions or bell peppers in your scrambled eggs. Both sausages and the eggs are almost ready. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite breakfast. I'm letting the sausage cook a little bit longer, but my egg is ready. So my breakfast is ready. I got my 3 pancakes, my sausages, my scrambled eggs, and my crispy bacon. So this is just one of the meals that you can make on the Mainstay 20-inch griddle. Like, I'm really loving this griddle, and I can't wait to see what else I can cook on this griddle. Before I dive into this breakfast, I gotta drizzle some pancake syrup. Yum yum. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.